again, friends. Happy Wednesday. We're going to do some more math today. Grab your Go Math book, grab a pencil, and we're going to be looking to see which numbers are greater today, which ones are larger, okay? So yesterday we were looking for the same amount, so we were looking if we had 1 and 1 the same, or if you had two groups of 2, or groups of 3 on either side, groups of 4 on either side, maybe groups of 5 on either side, but today we want to see which one's bigger, okay? So our question is, how can you compare sets when the number of objects is one greater than the number of objects in the other set? So we're just looking for the objects that have one more, okay? We're looking at pages 87, 88, and 89 that you need to do. If you'd like to do a little bit extra, you can do pages 90, 91, and 92, but you don't have to do those. Okay, so I'm going to grab my crayon and we're going to look at the yellow counters first. So it looks like we have, let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like we have 5 yellow counters. Let's look down here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we might have more yellow counters than red, but let's double check. We're going to draw a line from the top yellow one to the bottom red, top yellow to the bottom red, top yellow to the bottom red, top yellow to the bottom red. So which group has more? Okay, so the yellow counters have one more than red. So they're not the same this time. There's more yellow counters than red. Okay, let's keep on looking at that on the next page. Okay, so this time we're going to count the counters and write them down, and we're going to circle the bigger number. So on the first one, I see 1 red. So I'm going to write a 1 straight down for number 1. And for the second 5 frame, we have 1, 2. So we're going to write a 2, curve it around and slide to the right. Now we need to see which one has more. And you can do the same thing as we've done on the previous side. You can draw a line and see we have 1 extra yellow one. Okay? So 1 is smaller than 2. 2 is the bigger number, and we're going to circle the number 2. Okay, down here, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3 red counters. We're going to write a 3, curve it around and around again. And down here we have 1, 2 yellow counters. So we're going to curve it around and slide to the right. Now you can see that 3 is bigger than 2, but we're going to match them up just to double check. So make lines from the top to the bottom, and we'll see the red has 1 more than the yellow. So 3 is the bigger number. Okay? And you can do this with things at home too. You can compare Legos or cookies or goldfish crackers to see which group has more, okay? Let's do the last page together and then we'll be done for math today. Okay, so instead of having the counters in the next 5 frames, they're kind of spread out a bit. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to count them and then we are going to circle the bigger number. So for the red one we have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write the number 3. And for the yellow ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write the number 4, slide down to the right and cut it in 2. And we can see that which one has more. Is it the 3 group or the 4 group? Which number is bigger? 4 is bigger, so we're going to go ahead and circle the number 4. And remember, if you need to stop the video anytime or go back and rewind it and play it again, you are more than welcome. You do not need to go as fast as Miss Beery is going. Last one, we have 1, 2 red ones. So go ahead and write a 2. And how many yellow? We just have 1. So which one is bigger? Is the 2 red bigger or is the 1 yellow counter bigger? It is the 2 red. So go ahead and circle the 2. And as I said, you are more than welcome to do the extra pages, 90, 91, and 92, but you don't have to do that. I just wanted you to get these pages done with Miss Beery, the ones that I did. I hope you all have a great day. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday for some more math. Bye, friends.